Creating an effective Google Ads campaign for your car rental business can be a very difficult decision. So, which is why I'm here with an A to Z guide. But before I start, I want you to introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza, and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and an owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need help with the Google Ads or digital marketing campaign, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we will love to work with you. So let's get started on an A to Z guide of Google Ads car rental business. The first thing is, what you need to have is an amazing, extraordinary landing page. Okay, so even if you need help with landing pages, me and my team can help those as well. But for landing page, we need to figure out, what our competitors are doing on. So what we are gonna do is I'm gonna search on, car rental business on Spyfood. That is a tool which we use, but you can use any tools as well. You can use a performance planner, but you can even do the manual search on Google to see what your competitors are doing on. You can select the location as well over here to see, get more targeted on your country. So once you select over here, we to use other tools as well, but we use this one as a very common one. You can see over here, these are recommendations, these are different keywords, and these are, the ad copies. We can look around on some of the landing pages to see good combination, good landing pages, and that could help us um, in determining a good landing page. So you can see I'm getting a lot of similar keywords: car rental services near me. And what I can do is, the beauty is I can even find my different advertisers, and I can even copy their ads as well. So that is a very good thing. So this is one of the landing page which I got over here of a client who is running ads. But let's say I want more ad copies, I want to search around on more. So I'm gonna see on, what could be better options for those. You can see this may be not working, but I got one is fine. Let's see, this is another landing page copy which I even don't like. So we can find out a lot of key, landing pages. This may seems to be a good one, but this can be improved by adding a time extension of this, or but this Expedia is a very well known multinational brand, and I can look around on this one as well. I can, I can figure out their create keywords and everything, and all of the data as well. So what we have to do is to first of all create an amazing, interesting landing page which actually differentiate us from others. Once we are done with this, I recommend you to have a Google business profile. You know, through Google business profile, we can create local campaigns as well for area specific. So the second thing is you need to have a Google business profile like one of this one. So once you have your Google business profile, you can see over here, and you can your ads will even be shown on Google Maps as well, like car rental near me. Again, it may vary from location to location, but I'm showing you like this local places ads are being shown above, and I can see more places. So even on the Google, and you can see that this is a kind of a sponsored result. So I want you to grab the sponsored slot which may be shown above. So you need a Google business profile with amazing reviews. Okay, we can help you with that as well. We can even audit and optimize your Google business profile as well. So once we are done with the creating an amazing landing page, the second thing is Google business profile. Once you are done with this, now we have to create an amazing, interesting campaign for your car rental business on Google Ads. Okay. So what we are gonna do is we may need to figure out our locations. We may need to figure out our timing. Then once we get some data, we can improve on peak days, peak hours. We have to okay, analyze on peak days, peak timings, peak keywords, peak locations, our peak products, and then we can expand gradually on that data. Now for that you may need a Google Ads account like this. So what you have to do is to simply create a new campaign, and what me and my team can do is, we can help you in creating a new campaign. We can help you in sorting out what kind of a keyword you may need, what kind of ad copies you may need. So the process is very going to be quick and easy for you. You can select the sales campaign over here, or you can select a leads campaign over here, because the overall purpose is either to get the more leads or more sales. So that could be another scenario over here. You need to have your conversion goal set up right now. We have this conversion goal set up right now. We have phone call lead submitted button set up right now. We have the submit leads button submit right now. So you need to add your goal right now. That is very important. And to add the goal, you need to have some conversion tracking done on your thank you page, so that people can correlate with it. Once you are done with this, you have to simply select the continue and select your campaign types. Okay, people asking, which campaign type is going to be work well for me. So I recommend people to go with the search campaign, performance max campaign, and the demand generation campaign. These campaigns, works very well with services like these. So let's say we are going with the search campaign, we can go with this one. So now what you have to do is to select our our goal. Let's say we are going to do a website visit, and we can select the phone calls as well. So we have multiple goals. We want more phone calls and more website visits. So we can write over our website link over here, just giving you an example over here, that once you have to write over here, and you have to write this over here, I mean like your number over here. Once you are done with this one, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you have to name your campaign over here, and then you know uh, you have to select the start new over here, select over here. Now set your goals on. Okay, bidding, oftenly people ask me on what conversion do you want to focus on. I do not recommend starting on focusing on conversions when the campaign is a new. So I do not recommend it. But for new campaigns, I recommend you to simply go with the clicks, maximize clicks. We need the data at the moment for a new campaign. Once we get the data, we can change our bidding strategy depending upon our campaign performance. And then we can select the bid for new customers only or bid for old. But because car rental business is a recurring business, and people often may come, old people may also come, so you do not have to click the bid for new customers, because our old customers can repeatedly come over here again and again. Now choosing your search network over here, I recommend you people to select the simply search network, uncheck this one, uncheck this one. Okay, now select again the location. You can select a particular location. For instance, if I have a business, I can select a whole location, or I can province, or I can pinpoint to a specific location. For instance, I'm targeting in New York. I'm giving you an example over here. I can include it or exclude it. I can include it over here. I can do my advanced search as well, and pinpoint over here as well on the location. For instance, if I only work in Rochester, I can write over here as a Rochester over here, and I can target over here as well, like this one. I can also do a radius targeting over here. Like I can say that location in Rochester, New York, 20 miles. I can do over here as well, and I can do this location pinpoint targeting as well. So I have multiple options of choosing on how I can target on a location base. Once I'm done with this as well, I have to select the language over here, and then my audience segments. Okay, I do not recommend setting up the audience segment right now. Audience segments do helpful, but we may can try it out later on once we get some conversions, and then we can have almost a 10 to 20% of our budget allocation to try it on something new, and we can use it over there as well. After this, I do not recommend broad match. Select, you can see more rotations. Ad performance needs to be set up. Okay, right now for new campaigns, we can have ad schedules all the day, and then we can eventually move on to our peak hours, peak timings, or in case if we are not running 24/7, then according to our business hours, we can set around that as well. And then do your keyword research. If you are tell you this keyword, they are going to find some keywords and based on this, but I do not recommend choosing it out on those. I'm just giving an example. They are going to sort out, but we can use this tool and other tools as well. Me and my team use different combinations to create figure out new campaigns. And now the thing is that you need to create different copies for different versions now, because I feel that luxury car rental insurance and the car rental insurance both are different keywords. And now even the word insurance is not a part. We are not selling insurance, so the insurance is not our keyword targeted. We need to understand every relevant keyword is not the targeted keyword. We need to understand this as well. So we need a rental car. I need a rental car. I'm going to use those keywords for this one. Okay, I can again use a different one as well, but I'm going to use this as a phrase match keyword, that helps you in eliminating the poor traffic. And I can scroll over here and I can go below. I can choose my keywords over here. I can need to add my extension over here so that people can call like this over here. Call is also very good. Call campaigns are also very good, and showing on the Google Maps also is an ultimate sales generation as well. And to show my ads on local search, what I have to do is I need to link up over here, my what I need to do is I need to link up my business Google business profile over here so that I can show my ads over here. So what I have to do is I need to link out over here, and for that I may need to go back and um select over it. But I'm just telling you over here that how I can create a good copy, and I can write the good details over there. And you can see over here. But before I'm going to show you on that, let's say we are going with this one, we need to look on around on our ad first. I can link around later on, so I can tell you as well. But right now with phone calls, and I need to have an amazing headline, before I need to grab my attention of the audience. I need to have amazing headline copies, I need to have amazing description lines, I can add images, to get more attention, more traction. And for these things, we have copywriters in my team who can help you in creating an awesome campaigns. But your competitors are your best teachers, so look around on their ad copies as well. That can also be very helpful for you. So like if I search the car rental, I can see that is a huge keyword, huge audience. I can see the ads like these current ads. You can get the data from that. We can select a specific domain and get the data for that as well. You can see over here what grabs your attention the most, and we can create file on that. The extensions like these $10 a day, and these helps as well. There is a tool which we use, and that is a Coroya, which people can help you in how the ad extensions plays a role. Now this is a small usual ad like that. The call extension helps people like call. Location extension can help you show your ad on Google business profile, and through for that we need to link up with Google My Business. And you can see that this is very attractive. Advertiser ratings also, in case if you have advertiser ratings, that can also help you in getting more interest. Pricing extensions, pricing, I think feel like numbers attracts the most to the audience, so that is also helpful. And then you have to just select the save over here, and that's it. The campaign is done for now. After selecting the budget, for the budget, I recommend you not to go with them and set your own budget, and the campaign is going to be in the review soon. But I'm just giving you an example. So this is a test campaign, not a real campaign. So I'm just closing it out. So you can see over here that this is not working because this is over here. So I need to close it out. Just giving you an example of where is my campaign over here, which I created right now. It's maybe over here. Okay, so for those who don't know how to link up, just write over here on business profile, map. You can see over here that this one is already linked with this, so it's in the assets. So what you can do is you can simply select the assets over here and go in the assets and simply add it over there as your business profile, and that is through you can target over here. Now this business is an already running business. I do not want to disturb anything on this account, but I can add everything over there to correlate. And you can see the location extension. Simply select the location extension over here, and this will uh, choose my location, and then I can target on my location. I can see from the business profile manager, I can select one and I have to continue it over here. So this is one of the few which you can target on Google Maps plus your location targeting. So I hope this was a quick guide for anyone who wants to run their own business as a car rental business. I know that this could have been more detailed and more improved, but this is a basic of a good campaign. But in case if you need a professional help with your car rental business, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you guys. So thank you for watching this detailed video of Google ads for car rental business. In case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and in case if you have any suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And again, in case if you need the services of me and my company. We are a Google partner company and would love to help with you. So I look forward to working with you. Make sure to click on the link in the description and let's get started working on creating an optimized, awesome car your campaign for your car rental business. So I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.